Hi, my name is Attic. I am a graphic designer and artist. Today I will show you how to do flip text effects in Adobe Illustrator. First, I am creating a new document. Width 4500 and height 4000 pixel. You can also take any other size of the document if you want. Now I am clicking on the Type tool and increasing the font size a bit. This time I wrote Illustrator. Now take any bold type font from the font panel. Right-click and go to Transform Reflect. Reflect at 90 degrees. Now from the toolbar select the free Transform tool and Perspective Discord, then drag from the bottom corner to compress a bit. Then by clicking Alt, drag the right side and copy one more. Now we will make the text a little more stand-up. OK. Select this 02 text and from the option bar Object Blend Made. Now adjust with the Selection tool. Now Object_Expand. Now click on the gradient from below the color and take the gradient. Now take one rectangle as the background behind the text. I will fill it with black color from the swatch panel, sending the background in the back. I am locking the object so that it will be easy for us to work with the text. Adjust the gradient for looking at the text coming from darkness to light. Now we will do three things. Number 1. Create a group of texts and Number 2. From Transform, reflect and copy. Number 3. Hold the Shift key and drag on the right side, so that the effect looks more elegant. We have now completed the design. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you want more tutorials like this. Thank you.